Today, guys, in this video, we are going to be doing a mukbang, but in Roblox. So, Roblox just added this game, so let's play and let's find a seat. So let's find rooms. I need rooms. Okay, at this point, let's just find something like this. Oh. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna get water. I might get the stuff that I actually eat. And I'm just gonna put this carbonara thing we're just gonna eat this. It's the only thing we're gonna eat. But look at my candies, oh, they look fire. We'll get some of this. Some of this in my plate. Let me just eat this. Guys, this is the only thing we're gonna eat. Gonna get that. Flick to my order. No. Gotta get spicy ramen. Spicy. Then we're gonna get one more thing. We're gonna get chicken. I'm sure gonna. Just gonna get flaming hot chicken wings. Should it be spicy? Yeah, let's do spicy. So this, let's eat because we're doing spicy wings. So it's gonna be a challenge. So. So we're just gonna do spicy only. So no, stop! Don't eat my food. No, I'm leaving, bro. We have to go somewhere else, bro. People are just gonna. Oh my gosh, we're marching. Actually, I'm still his food now. We gotta do, bro. This keeps falling. Up to the beach. Now we can do. First up, let's do 2 spicy. Wait, where's my spicy doodle? I mean, not my doodle, my doodle. So we're just gonna get 3. Uno. Dos. Now this is cooked. Now we're just gonna get. Please don't steal my food. Bro, you have your own food, and I won't steal your food. Don't steal my food. Please. This is for me. Kush. Yo. Great. Stop. Okay. Oh my god. There are any snacks that are spicy. Flamin' hot dog. Spicy only. And this does not care if it's spicy because I feel like he loves spicy. So guys, we might do a roll. Oh, this is spicy. This is spicy. We're just gonna add 2 more things then we start eating. So then we're just gonna do my intro. I think that's it. Okay, let's do my intro. Today, guys, we are gonna do a mukbang, so let's get started. First up, we have First we have blue Takis. flaming hot dogs. Guys, look at that cheese pool. That's. Hey, let me get a dip of the sauce, bro. Get a dip of that sauce. White sauce. White sauce. Guys, look at that cheese pool. Look at these. Doinky. I'm just trying to do my ASMR. Dipping in the cheese sauce. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Let me just add my water. Get out of my way. This cheese sauce. Eat my food, please. Look at that. Isn't that great? You got ranch and spices. Sorry, she getting it. Get out of my way. Hey guys, I'm sorry if this is happening. No one's listening. Hey. It's not food. It's my food. I can't even play this game right. But if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, hit that follow button. But I just want to say to the game, you guys need to fix. Like, you need to add like curtains that you like can't open at all and you can't go through it. You actually have to add that. And you guys have to add to not open the pencils, bro. And so that's it I want to say to this game. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that follow button, and I'm getting out. Peace.